Hey y'all, it's me, your girl T at T's Braids and Weaves. Here is what I love to do. And yes, I am servicing Northern California. So today I will be doing a sewing routine. This is Unfortunately, she has some damage and some broken edges here. As you can see, actually it is growing back. We have been using some G&G hair food and we are growing her edges back. This is the other side. Unfortunately, they have come out, but we are working hard to get those edges back. So again, today we are doing a full sew in and we are doing a little leave out here at the top. This is the braid pattern that I have chose. I will be braiding both sides to the middle, and I will be using a technique to make sure that the braids lay nice and flat. I will show you exactly how that technique is done. So if you're interested, keep watching. Yes, this is the secret tip right here. I just grabbed that last braid and I am braiding it with this braid. So if you continue to keep watching, I will show you that part again and more in a slow motion. So again, keep watching. Okay, so this is that technique again. As you can see right there, I am taking that last braid and I am blending it in with the braid that I'm already braiding on, if that makes sense. I just took that last braid and I'm braiding it all together into the braid that I was braiding already. This will give it a nice flat look back here in the middle, and it will give you a flat look and a flat feel when the style is completed. Yes, if you want to make sure that it's flat in the back, definitely try this technique. It's fast, very quick to learn. Okay, so I hope you were able to do that technique. I did do it in slow motion. If you have any questions about the technique, please leave questions down below in the description. So yes, this is the hair that we are using. It is 3 bundles. We have 1 bundle of 16 inches and 2 bundles of 15 inches. So yes, this is some straight indie Remy hair. Very good texture, very easy to work with. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed at all. So yes, I am starting to actually sew now. I am sewing in this U shape, which will give her an option to be able to pull it all up in a ponytail if she chooses. It is more easier to start off in a U shape than to start off straight across. If you start off in the U shape back to make that ponytail, it looks a lot more natural in my opinion. So yes, this style can be pulled up into a ponytail, as you can see right here. Yes, don't mind her little kitchen back here, but yes, it pulls up into a really nice ponytail. So if want to try, please try it again. If you have any questions, leave it in the description below and any comments as well. So yes, right here I am doing single tracks, and I will do singles until I get maybe halfway up her head, and then I'll start doubling the tracks so that it will be fuller and she will have that thickness she's looking for. So yes, tracks until I get closer to the halfway point. And thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so it's time to blend. Yes, it is blend time. So I am going to straighten her hair so that it will blend in with the weave hair. So I am using my straight comb, and I use some heat protectant on her hair. And yes, she has some force, a little tough straightening it, but yes, we worked it out. I was able to work it out, and it blended in really good once it got straight. So if you don't have you a good straightening comb, please find one. Times of this 4C hair, this is what we need. Something that's going to be nice and hot and is that hair. So again, keep watching and you'll see exactly how I blended it in. Alrighty, y'all. So now this style complete, and I am just finishing up the little baby hairs right here for her. And yes, here we are. The style was completed. If you can see, it looks really nice and natural on the sides. No tracks are showing. Straight hair, some Indian Remy hair. Her hair blended in really nice. And yes, here we have it. Braids and Weaves. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And yes, she can pull it up into that ponytail. And gotta hit those edges back there, her kitchen, clean that up for her again. I forgot to do that, so I will go back and get that done. And again, T's Braids and Weaves. Hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and please ask questions if you have any, or leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.